Good morning, students. Welcome back to our next video. Now in the previous video we have solved till page number 14. Now today we are going to solve page number 15 from your reader. Okay, it's beat number 4. Write these numbers in the expanded form. Now we have to write these numbers into the expanded form. Now to write the numbers in the expanded form, first we'll split the numbers into the place value chart. 5 will come in ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, now 3 stands under 10,000. So 3 into 10,000 plus 1 stands under 1000. So 1 into 1000 plus this 4 stands into 100 plus this 2 stands for 10 plus this 5 stands for ones. So 5 into 1 you can write. Okay. Now next, it's 80,036. So if you are unable to solve directly, you can write here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Now 8 stand for 10,000 plus. Now here 0 stand for 1000. No need to write it. Leave it. 0 stand for 100. No need to write it. Leave it. 3 stands for 10. Directly go for 3 into 10. Plus 6 stands for 1. So 6 into 1. Same we have 92,401. So here 9 stands for 10,000. Plus this 2 stand for 1000. Plus this 4 stand for 100 plus this 0 stands for tens. No need to write it. Directly go for ones. 1 stand for ones. Same we have here 51,370. 5 stand for 10,000 plus 1 stand for 1,000 plus 3 stand for 100 plus 7 stand for 10 and 0 stand for ones. No need to write, leave it. Okay, or else you can write plus 0. Plus 0. Whenever 0 comes at the ones, then you have to write it. Okay, fine. Now second, next question, fifth one. Form 10 5-digit numbers. Form 10 5-digit numbers. Means we have to make here 10 numbers that should be of 5 digits, including the greater and the smaller number. Okay. Using the digits 7, 4, 1, 2, 5. Now we have to use this number and we have to make 10 numbers. Circle the greater number and underline the smaller number. Now he has asked us to circle the greater number and underline the smaller number. Now whichever 10 numbers I may write, it may be different from your numbers. It's okay, no problem. You can find your own also, or you can write this. Now first we are going to find how many 10 numbers we have to find that should be included by 5 digits. But we have to use these numbers only. I'm going to use the first number, this one. 74,125. Then I can use this 41,257. Okay, you can make your own numbers. 25,741. These numbers you can make, and you can make any 5-digit numbers. Okay. Now 25 over. Then I'll go for 47,521. 14,752. Okay. See, is it visible properly? One second. I'll adjust the camera for you. Next, 14 over I'll make now 52,147. Afterward I'll make it 12,457. After that I'll make 14 already had made, 47 I've made, 42 I'll make 42 now. 42,175. Now 15 I'll make. 15,214. Okay, sorry, you cannot repeat the number, and I have repeated. I'll make it 7 here. 7, okay. Then 15 over. Now which number I can make? 45 I can make, yes. 45, 127. Now here I have made this 10 numbers. Yours answers may be different by my answers. No problem, it's okay. You can take any digit, front side or back side, and you can make. But make sure you you take this same digits, okay? Now see, which is the greater number in this? You have to tell me which is the greater number. 74,125 or 41,257 or 25,741 or 47,521 or 14,752 or 52,147 or 12,457 or 42,175, 15,274 or 45,125. Which is the greater one? Now they have told circle the greater one. Now my number is, this one is the greater. So I have circled. And which is the smallest? You have to underline. So this number is smallest. So I have underlined. Use pencil to do it. Okay. Now next. Now insert greater, smaller or equal to sign. We have to insert. Okay. Now first one we have 34,862 and next we have 64,862. Which is the greater one? Is it 34,000 or 64,000? 64. Use pen. So 93,842 or 93,512. See here it is 93. Both are 93,000s only. But here it is 842 and here it is 513. So 842 will be the bigger one. Is 54,192, 54,129. Now 54 both are same. But check here, it is 192 and it is 129. So 192 is the bigger. Here it's 82,347 and 84,947. Which one? 84. Next one 37,048, 37,048. Both are equal. Next 60,708, 60,807. See, both are 60,000, but this is 708, this is 807. Fine. Now for the next bit. Arrange the following numbers in ascending and descending order. Now we have to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Now first we'll arrange these numbers into the ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to greater. Now can you tell me which is the smaller one and which is the greater one? Come on, we'll check it out. 37,182, 48,193 or 23,456. Now which is the smallest one? Our first number is 23,456. The next number we have here 37,182. And then we have 48,193. Now, whenever we have to write in descending order, the greater number should come first. So, 48,193. After that, we have 37,182. And after that, we have 23,456. 6. Next, B1 64,456, 68,134, 67,832. Now which is the smaller? 64,000, right? 64,456. After that, 67,382. After that, 68,134. Now go here with the greater number, this 68,134, 67,382, 64,456. Next, 48,234, 18,279, 18,256. Which is the smallest one here? 18,279 or 18,256? Yes, it is 18,256. Then 18,279. Then we have 48,234. Now descending order, the greater one should be first. 48,234, 18,279, 48,234. Now our last beat. Wait, I'll make it visible for you. Now first we'll read the question. Who am I? Circle the correct answer. Now we have to circle the correct answer. Question he has asked and 3 options he has given us, and he is asking, who am I? I am 10,000 less than 56,430. Okay. Now he is telling them, I am less than. How much? How much you are less than? Come on, we'll solve and see. Okay, in a rough page, we will solve and see. I am 10,000 less than 56,430. So, 56,430. How much less he is telling? 10,000. We'll do it 10,000 less. 0, 3, 4, 6, 5 minus 1. So what answer we got? 46,430. Come on, check whether we have 46,430 here. Yes, we have. Now he said circle the correct answer. We have circled the correct answer. Next, I am 5,000 more than 40,380. Okay. Now he is telling I am 5,000 more. By how much? 40,380. Now more means we have to add. How much we have to add? 5,000. He is more 5,000. So come on, 0, 8, 3, 5, 4. What answer we got? 45,380. Come on, check it out whether we have 45,380. Yes, we have here. Circle it. Next, I am between 34,079 and 34,081. Now he is between 34,079 and 34,081. So he is between of them. So now 34 both are equal. Now here 79 is there, 81 is there. Now in between 79 and 81, which number will be there in between? It will be 80. So check it out. Yes, we have here 34,780. This is our correct answer. Okay, see. Now the full page I am going to show you, so you can pause it and copy it in your reader. Fine? Come on. Now here this lesson gets completed. Here our lesson gets completed. Now we'll go for the first page of our reader. Okay, first page of our reader. The first lesson, number 5 digit. Review 4 digit numbers. Now here this review of 4 digit number, it was of your last year's. Now I have not started this 4 digit numbers. You know why? because again I have to go with the whole deep and again I have to go with the lesson. So what I thought, first I'll complete the lesson, then you will get the idea and then we can directly solve the answers. So now come on, check it out whether we can solve these answers directly. First one, write this number's name in the standard form. Now we have to write this number's name into the standard form. Come on, can we try? 4,407. Yes. We can write now directly 4,407. 8,676. 8,676. Here. 9,000 plus 400 plus 60 plus 50. Yes, 9,000 is there in the 6,000s place. 400 is there in the 100 place. 6 is there in the tens place. 5 is there in the ones place. Same 6,000 plus 500 plus 80 plus 9. So here 6,589. Okay. Now write the place value and face value of the digit 7 in each of the given number. Now here they have said write the place value and face value of the digit 7 in the each of the following numbers. Okay. Now here you see 402.57. Now they have asked us to write the place value and face value. Now place value and face value of 7. 7 stands for ones. So place value will be also 7 and the face value will be also 7. Now what you do, you make two parts, so you will get it to know. This is place value, this is face value. Now here 9,173. Now here 7 stand for tens place. So means 70 is place value and face value is 7. Now 6,750. So 7 stands for 100 place. So place value is 100 and face value is 7. 7,125. This stands into the 1,000 place value. So 7,000 and face value is 7. Okay. See, is it visible to you? Yes. Now next, write these numbers in the expanded notation. Very easy expanded notation. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000. So 7 stands for 1,000. 7 into 1,000 plus. Now if 100 and tens are into 0 place, leave it. Directly go for ones. 8 into 1. Now here 9,763. So 9 stand for 1,000 place value plus 7 stand for 100 place value plus 6 stand for 10 place value and 3 stands for ones. Now here 8,524. So 8 stand for 1,000 plus 5 stand for 100, 2 stand for 10 plus 4 stands for ones. Same 4,156. 4 stand for 1,000 plus 1 stand for 100 plus 5 stand for 10 and 6 stand for 1. Now insert greater or the smaller circle digit you are comparing. Now we have to insert the greater or smaller sign. So here 4,257 is there, 5,967. Which is the greater? Obviously 5,000. Here 7,501 is there. Here 7,603 is there. 7,603. Here 9,877 is there. Here 9,789 is there. Actually this page should be done by you, but I am doing it for you. Okay. Now see, arrange the numbers in each set in the ascending order. Now this ascending and descending order will be done by you. Ascending and descending order will be done by you. I'll go for the last bit. Who am I? Write the numbers in the standard form. Now he is asking the question and then we have to write the answer. I am 200 less than the greatest 4-digit number. Now he is telling I am 200 less than the greatest 4-digit number. Can you tell me the greatest 4-digit number? Now the greatest one digit number is 9. Now the 4 digit means it will be 9,999. Now he is telling how much less it is there. 200 less is there. So 9 minus 2. How much it will be there? 9 minus 2? 7, 9. So what answer we got? 9,799. Right here 9,799. Next, I am 40 more than the smallest 4 digit number. I am 40 more, he is asking, than the smallest 4 digit number. Now tell me which is the smallest 4 digit number? 1000. And he is telling that I am more 40. Means you have to add it. We'll get it 1040. Last one. I am 200 more than the smallest 4 digit number. Now he is asking I am 200 more than the smallest 4 digit number. Now this is our smallest 4 digit number. She is telling I am 200 more, then it will be 1200. Okay, now I have finished this page. We have finished this first lesson. So after completion of this lesson, it should be completed in your classwork. Is it clear? Come on. Till then, have a nice day. Bye.